Do you have a 2007 to a 2014 Cadillac Escalade? If you have one of these years, you probably want to check out my channel. In there, I will show you tons of repairs that you can do yourself with very little tools. It'll save you tons of money than rather you going to the dealership to have the work done. Just click up on the right hand corner and it'll take you to my playlist. But before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So I guess your stereo isn't going on and you don't know what to do. Well, before you do this, let me save you some time, money, and a headache and tell you that your problem just might be your fuse. Let me show you where it's located. So the first thing you want to do is pop the hood, and as you're standing in front of the vehicle, you're going to look on the driver's side. And what you're going to look for is the black box, right where the red arrow's at. The next thing you want to do is remove the lid. Just lightly pull up and it unsnaps. It's pretty simple. Okay, now go ahead, just set that aside. Now, let's take a look in the fuse box. As you're looking in the fuse box, look at the bottom of the box. Right in the center, where the red arrow's at, that is your radio fuse. Go ahead and pull it out, see if it's still good. If it's blown, replace it. It's a 15 amp fuse. If you find after replacing the fuse and your stereo still doesn't work, make sure your battery is fully charged. That sometimes can be an issue. If you're still having problems, it might be something more serious. I would take it into a shop and have them look at it. Well, I hope this helps. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was very informative. Please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye.